forget where you came from. The family that raised you and gave you your first lessons in discipline and sacrifice. Carry those values with you long after you leave these grounds. And as you pursue this noble profession, you must also strive to build and cherish a family of your own. If you are blessed to find someone who chooses to walk this journey with you, as my wife did, when she stood beside me from my days as a cadet, treasure that gift. For behind every officer who endures the hardship of military life is a family whose quiet sacrifices make that service possible. So cadets, there will be moments when you struggle and question yourself. There will be instances when you fail and wonder whether you really belong here. When those times come to you, remember this. Take one day at a time. Magtiwala lang kayo sa ating Panginoon. Whether iba't-iba tayo ng religion, whether you call Him Jesus, whether you call Him Allah, just have faith. Because sometimes the greatest victories in life come not from following our own plans, but from trusting the one who sees the entire journey ahead of us.